Happy birthday, Gail. Tarong nga na imong love life. Ug sani kayo, Char.
Hi, Gail. I know that you have lots of plans. Continue serving God. Kung any challenges man, hindrances, just continue. I will always be here for you. You're like a little sister to me. I will support you. Nasa likod lang ko nimo, Gail. Kahit nakiat kayo ka, mga saba man ko, but you know that I love you. Wala na siya, Char. Deep inside from the bottom of my heart, kay lakas man sa kuha. So you can always count on me, you can always lean on me, you can always cry on my shoulder. Anytime. Basta na lang ko load mo, reply jud ko. Okay, I love you, Gail. God bless.
Happy birthday, Teacher Bingle. Happy birthday, Teacher Bingle. Wish you good health, yun lang. More power.
More birthday sa Tom. God bless you. Salamat sa tanan mo. Vin.
Happy birthday, Teacher Bingle.
Sorry, walang naka-greet. Karoon lang. Love you.
Ano lang, good health lang, kasi may ako ka. Bye-bye. Wish lang namin, Gail, na hindi ka na uminom na toyo. Okay? Mahalang toyo kasi. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Teacher Bingle. God bless. Many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Teacher Bingle. And I can see the works of the Lord in your life. Stay beautiful and always continue to serve the Lord by loving your children and toddlers. Tandaan mo, ang contract natin is, valid forever. Amen? Amen. I love you. God bless.
And this is the finale message for Bingle. Ang best friend niya sa Circular Home.
Yo, what's up, Teacher Bingle? Happy birthday to you. It's coming from Tyrone, the little man.